Hey, gamers! Are you ready to elevate your gaming experience to the next level today? We're diving into the top 5 best gaming CPUs of 2023. I'm here to guide you through the powerhouse processors that'll turbocharge your gaming rig and have you dominating every game in sight. Having the right CPU is key to smashing through gaming challenges without a hitch. And we've rounded up the absolute best in the market to ensure your gaming journey is nothing short of extraordinary. First up, we have the Intel Core i9-13900K. This beastly processor offers a whopping 24 cores with a turbo clock speed of up to 5.8 GHz. It's a powerhouse that can handle the most demanding games and multitasking with ease. Next in line, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D. Packing 8 cores and 16 threads, this processor boasts AMD's revolutionary 3D cache technology, delivering lightning-fast performance and an impressive 96 MB cache for exceptional gaming experiences. Now, let's talk about the Intel Core i7-13700K. With 16 cores and a turbo boost clock of 5.4 GHz, it's a stellar choice for gamers seeking robust performance without breaking the bank. This CPU handles gaming and multitasking like a pro. Coming in hot at number 4, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. With 6 cores and 12 threads, this CPU might be smaller in size but packs a serious punch. It's a budget-friendly option without compromising on performance, making it ideal for savvy gamers. And rounding off our top 5 is the Intel Core i5-13600K. Offering excellent performance at a wallet-friendly price. This CPU with 14 cores strikes a balance between power and affordability. Perfect for gamers looking for that sweet spot. Each of these CPUs has its strengths. Whether you're a hardcore gamer craving top-tier performance, or a budget-conscious player seeking bang for your buck. That's a wrap for our top 5 best gaming CPUs of 2023. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!